Real Madrid transfers Jose Mourinho, new manager to Real Madrid. Confirmed. Ibrahima Konate from Liverpool to Real Madrid. Confirmed. Denzel Dumfries from Inter Milan to Real Madrid. Confirmed. Bernardo Silva from Manchester City to Real Madrid. Confirmed. Marco Correa from Chelsea to Real Madrid. Confirmed. Rumor. Alessandro Bastoni from Inter Milan to Real Madrid. Nico Schlotterbeck from Borussia Dortmund to Real Madrid. Ruben Diaz from Manchester City to Real Madrid. Josko Gvardiol from Manchester City to Real Madrid. Fichak Kvaratskhelia from PSG to Real Madrid. Michel Olise from Bayern Munich to Real Madrid. Vitinha from PSG to Real Madrid. Enzo Fernandez from Chelsea to Real Madrid. Desiree Doué from PSG to Real Madrid. Jamal Musiala from Bayern Munich to Real Madrid. João Neves from PSG to Real Madrid.